I am loving this 3-pack of phone cables. These work with Apple devices. They are the Lightning cable. I like the design here because where your plug is, it has the 90-degree angle. So these are really well made. They've got a nice little bend to them here. The actual cord itself feels very firm, like it wouldn't be easy to get tangled. And then you can see where the USB plug is right here. It's nice and thick. It's reinforced really well. This comes in a 3-pack and there are different colors. So if you want to assign these to different family members, you can, or it's just fun to switch up your colors. They are 6 feet long, so you've got a nice long distance and you don't have to be right next to an outlet. Very cool.